As above, so below. As within, so without. Have you ever noticed how the same patterns repeat everywhere in life? The structure of galaxies resembles the structure of atoms. Cycles in nature mirror the cycles within your mind. The events in your outer life reflect the thoughts and beliefs you hold inside. This is not coincidence. It's the foundation of one of the most profound universal laws, the Law of Correspondence. Today we're diving deep into this law, often summarized as above, so below. As within, so without. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how the world around you mirrors your inner world, and how you can use this knowledge to transform your life. The Law of Correspondence comes from Hermetic philosophy, taught by the legendary Hermes Trismegistus, and described in the book The Kybalion. The principle is simple but profound. What happens on one level of reality is reflected on every other level. In other words, the microcosm reflects the macrocosm, the small reflects the large, the personal reflects the universal. Let's start with nature. Look at a tree. Its roots dig deep into the earth, while its branches stretch into the sky. The shape of the tree is mirrored in rivers, lightning bolts, and even the structure of your lungs. Patterns repeat at every scale. Leaves branch like veins. Snowflakes grow in fractal symmetry. Spiral galaxies echo the spirals in seashells. This is the universe showing as above, so below. Now let's bring this inward. The second part of the Law of Correspondence is as within, so without. Your inner state, your beliefs, emotions, and mental patterns is directly reflected in your outer reality. If you feel fear, you attract situations that reinforce fear. If you cultivate love, gratitude, and clarity, you begin to notice opportunities and positive patterns appearing in your life. The world is a mirror of your consciousness. Imagine two people starting a business. One is internally confident, creative, and focused. The other is full of self-doubt and worry. Even with the same external circumstances, their outcomes will differ drastically. Why? Because their inner state shaped their outer results. This is the Law of Correspondence at work. What exists inside influences what manifests outside. The Law of Correspondence also teaches us to recognize patterns. If you see a problem repeating in your life, look inward. There's a mental or emotional pattern that is being reflected externally. By changing your inner pattern, your thoughts, beliefs, and reactions, you change how reality responds. Everything outside is a reflection of your inner world. Modern science gives us hints about this principle. Fractals show the same patterns at different scales. Quantum physics suggests that observation affects outcomes. Psychology shows how mindset shapes perception and reality. Even biology shows this. Our bodies are microcosms of the environment, responding to cycles in nature and energy around us. The universe repeats its patterns everywhere, from galaxies to atoms, and from the world around you to the world within you. Here, it's a simple exercise to experience the Law of Correspondence. 1. Find a quiet space and reflect on a recurring problem in your life. 2. Ask yourself, what inner belief or emotion might be creating this situation? 3. Visualize changing that inner belief. 4. Imagine the outer reality shifting in response. With consistent practice, you'll start noticing how changes within your mind affect the world around you. Observe your thoughts daily. Align your inner state with the outcomes you want. Recognize patterns in nature and your life. Use these reflections to guide your actions. The Law of Correspondence shows that mastering your inner world is the key to mastering your outer world. So, remember, as above, so below. The universe reflects its patterns at every scale. As within, so without, your inner reality creates your outer reality. By understanding this law, you gain insight into both the universe and yourself. You start seeing that the patterns of life are not random. They are mirrors of consciousness, waiting for you to understand and work with them. If you want to explore the other universal laws and learn how to use them to consciously shape your reality, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and watch the next video in our series. Because when you learn to master these laws, you stop reacting to life and start creating it consciously.